This is gonna be loud, so here have I... Okay, we are finally shooting back again. Dude, for cooling, the position is really important. I realize this now. Anyway, the more itself will fine. Since when I calibrated that, the spool was a lot like heavier because it had a lot more material. I think there is a realistic chance that the input shaper value is off now. So I think that in order to avoid this altogether, I think I'm gonna mount the spool holder in the plywood sheet that you see in the behind of the printer. So the input shaper value doesn't change. I think that is the smartest thing I can do right now. I'm also testing like a different orientation to see what happens. We are 3 minutes 39 seconds, 40 seconds. There you have it. I recently blown a cable, literally like the motor wasn't working properly, and I felt, oh shit, like I killed the driver or something like that, because that was what happened before. But nah, the issue was that basically the shit. My issue was basically that there was a cable that was like sometimes making contact, sometimes it wasn't making contact. So yeah, it made the motor turn just in one direction for some reason. Like no matter if I go one point or the other point, like load filament or unload filament, it was always unloading the filament. So yeah. Sorry for that. Here's the clock again. 43. I never realized like how ugly the bench is. 6 minutes 24 seconds 25. Seven minutes in, I think this is gonna be a much longer break. I feel at least. So who could thought? But it looks like, or no, I don't know. 7:13. $7:26. Let's see if like it will do 7:35. We are gonna enter in the 5 minutes soon, the 8 minutes, sorry. Eight minutes 10 seconds. Come on, boy. Okay, here we go. We are in 40. Come on, man. $47. That's it. 8 minutes 53 seconds. There is the benchy. Holy shit. 8 minutes 53. Almost 8 minutes 54, but anyway, I want to try to experiment and push this a bit harder, but I will let this take a break for today. It's been enough. I have to study as well, but yeah, that's it, man. Whew. Also, this place smells nasty. I can't believe I'm breathing this. Anyway, that's it. Here's my sub 9 minutes 3D benchy. There you go. Shit. I need to get a removable spring steel shit. I know. There it is. Yeah, I mean, it's not the best boat ever made, but considering how fast it was printed and the kind of boats that I'm usually seeing from people, it's pretty nice. So yeah, that's it, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you the next time.